Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you're to use in this view, in my case Chrome. Then click on this square button, hold your app and tap on this button under two rectangles. As you can see after that, I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can make it smaller by tapping on Home button, and even use it overlay the other app by tapping on the other one, choosing the bubble, and using both. If you wish to close your app, you need to access background once again and swipe it. You can also click on this button and tap on floating windows at the top left corner instead. Now select one of your apps from here and use them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!